Hi, I'm Alex. Let me ask you a question. Have you invested a ton of money in Six Sigma training, run project after project, and you're still looking at your bottom line thinking, where is the return on investment? Well, if you are tired of training that just doesn't lead to real transformation, you are in exactly the right place.
Look, you've written the checks, you've sent your people to the classes, you've got this new army of green belts and black belts ready to go. You were promised this huge transformation, but what you're actually getting feels more like you're just running in place. It's an incredibly frustrating spot to be in, and you know what? It's also super common. Let's dig into why that is.
So, what's really going on here? Is the training itself the problem? Are your people not the right fit? Or is there some fundamental piece of this whole puzzle that's been completely overlooked? I'm here to tell you the answer is way simpler, and honestly, a lot more powerful than you might think. Here it is, the simple truth. The problem isn't your people, and it's not the Six Sigma methodology itself. Think about it like this. You've invested in all the parts of a high-performance race car. You've got the sleek chassis, the best tires, perfect aerodynamics, but you left it in the garage without an engine. You have all the tools, but absolutely no power to drive it forward. And that right there brings us to the most critical distinction we're going to talk about today. You see, far too many leaders use the terms Six Sigma and Six Sigma deployment interchangeably, as if they're the same thing. They are not. In fact, getting this one difference is the key that unlocks the ROI you've been looking for all this time. Okay, so first things first, let's be crystal clear on what Six Sigma actually is. At its core, it's a powerful methodology, a brilliant set of tools and techniques like DMAIC that are designed to improve a very specific process. It is, quite literally, the toolbox. Six Sigma deployment, on the other hand, that is the engine. It's the business strategy and the whole organizational infrastructure that puts those tools to work not just on one project, but across your entire company. It's the system that makes sure every single project aligns with your top-level goals, that dedicates the right resources, and that drives real, lasting cultural change. Deployment is what turns a good theory into a great business reality. This chart really nails the difference. See, with just Six Sigma tools, your focus is on a single project. Your goal is a technical statistical target, getting defects down to 3.4 per million opportunities, and it's driven by your belts on the ground. But with deployment, everything shifts. The focus is now on changing the entire organization. The goal isn't just a number, it's a transformed culture and a measurable return on investment. And the primary driver? It's not just your project teams anymore, it's your senior leaders and your champions setting the strategy from the very top. So here's the bottom line. You just can't train a few black belts, send them out into the wild, and then hope for some kind of magical transformation. It doesn't work that way. A truly successful deployment demands a formal organizational infrastructure. You absolutely need a dedicated hierarchy with crystal clear roles and responsibilities. And this is what that structure looks like. It has to, and I mean has to, start at the very top with a leadership council that defines the vision and commits the resources. Without them, it's just another initiative of the month. Then you have your champions. These are senior managers whose entire job is to remove roadblocks and protect the projects. And finally, you have master black belts, people like me who are the technical experts coaching the teams and ensuring quality. You take away any one of these pieces and the whole structure just gets weaker. All right, so once you have the right people in the right roles, you need to give them the right strategy to execute. A successful deployment really rests on three unshakable pillars. And believe me, if any one of these is weak, the whole thing can come crashing down. Pillar number one, strategic alignment. Every single project must link directly to a critical business goal. No pet projects, no nice-to-haves. Second is resource allocation. This one is huge. It means giving your people the time to actually do the work, not just piling it on top of their already full-time day job. And third, sustainment. You have to lock in your wins. The goal here is to move from a culture of constantly fighting fires to a culture of preventing them from ever starting in the first place. So, think about where we've been. We've gone from that deep frustration of seeing no ROI to a clear, actionable solution. The missing link was never about finding a better tool or doing more training. It was always about having the right strategy and the right infrastructure to make those tools powerful. If you remember only one thing from our talk today, please make it this: tools improve processes, deployment transforms businesses. Embracing that fundamental shift in your thinking, that is the only real path to sustainable success with Six Sigma. If you are ready to stop just training and start deploying for real ROI, visit us at sixsigmadsi.com. We don't just teach the classes, we help you build the infrastructure to make them stick. Thanks for watching.